Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Hatke, and in this video I am going to discuss a day-based puzzle, how to solve this type of puzzles with single possibility without any confusion. So watch this video till the end to know this. So let's start our video. The question is given as there are 6 actors named Meena, Seema, Kiran, Shilpa, Archana and Kavita. All of them worked starting from Monday. All of them work for different hours, but maximum of that could be 10 hours. Now different conditions are there. We have to use these conditions to draw the final arrangement. So just solve this question. Okay, for that at first I am fixing this days, so I'm writing the different days here. So it is given that Meena and Shilpa act on Tuesday and Thursday respectively. So we can simply put Meena here and Shilpa in this place. So I am writing in short. Okay, now next it is given that the number of hours for which Kiran acts is more than that of Archana. So in simply I can write it as Kiran Ki is greater than Archana. Okay, now next it's given that Seema acts is less than that of Kavita, therefore Seema is less than Kavita. Now it is given that number of hours for which acting is done by any actors on every alternate day starting from Tuesday. Okay, starting from Tuesday on every alternate days. So these days are there consist of multiples of 3 in decreasing order. Now between 1 and 10 multiple of 3 are 3, 6 and 9. So it is in decreasing order, therefore it would be 9, 6 and 3. Now next condition is given, that is the number of hours for which acting is done on every alternate day starting from Monday. In this case Monday, alternate days are Monday, Wednesday and Friday, are 3 prime numbers in increasing order. So prime numbers between 1 and 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. As in our question it is given the hours are different, so we cannot use 3 once again, so we have to use 2, 5 and 7, but in this case it's in increasing order, therefore order would be 2, 5 and 7. Okay, now the next condition, since we have put this value, so we are just using that condition. Next condition is given as Kiran and Seema act on 2 consecutive days, therefore Kiran and Seema, they are in consecutive days. So Kiran can be on Friday and on Saturday. If we put Kiran on Saturday, since Kiran is greater than A, so A would be there. Since Seema and Kiran are consecutive, therefore Seema, place for Seema is Friday, but Seema could not be in Friday since Seema is less than Kavita. So position for Kiran is this. Same for Seema is Saturday. Since Seema is less than Kavita, therefore Kavita is in on Wednesday and the left one Archana is on Monday. So this is all about this puzzle. This is the final arrangement. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.